Hey everyone, this is Matt King with the King Piers team, out here with another update on our project in Liberty, Missouri. We are in the process now of encasing all of our King Pier 2s with high-strength concrete, as you see right here. That is about as simple as I can explain. Right now, doing the concrete yesterday, we were able to get all of the piers properly installed under that footing, raising the footing back to its correct level elevation. We had to do some checking of the doors and windows just to make sure everything was still working, opening and closing correctly, which they are. But everything is moving right as planned. So we'll take another quick look here. We're encasing the back 5 right now. We've gotten those all taken care of. Still have a little bit left to do on this one, but all the rest have been encased. So we're in the process right now of finishing up the ones in front. So we'll pour back those sections, make sure everything is finished up here. And then we have our one inside the garage. So once we're done with everything, you can see we've already used our NP1 polyurethane to start the foundation wall crack repair. We're going to do the same on the floor cracks here. We're going to make sure the floor is cleaned pretty well before we start that. And then on the exterior as well, we have a little bit to seal up, mostly by the window here. But other than that, everything is moving right along. So we're looking to finish up whatever backfill we don't get finished today on Monday, and then we'll get some of these boards put back on the deck here. And that is essentially it for this project. Again, we're going to be finished up here with this concrete within the next hour or two, and then the rest of the day is just going to be trying to clean up, get as much backfill done as we can, and finish that up the very start of next week. So for all your foundation and pier needs, please give us a call, 1-816-288-4373. You can also go to our website, www.kingpiers.com. And of course, you can always visit our YouTube and Facebook channels. Just search for King Piers LLC. And please give us a like and subscribe if you have not already. Thank you.